The primary goal of this procedure is to observe the microstructure of oxynitride phosphors using cathodoluminescence spectroscopy.
This method can help answer key questions in the luminescent material field, such as semiconductor, nanostructures, and inorganic phosphors. The main advantage of this technique is to understand the local structure of phosphors and their coexistence with secondary phases from cathodoluminescence images.
Oxynitride phosphors are great candidates for UV and visible emission applications. The high efficiency of their emission properties is achieved by controlling their composition and sintering conditions.
By using cathodoluminescence spectroscopy, we can optimize these conditions and achieve the best properties of oxynitride phosphors.
Under a low oxygen inert atmosphere in a glove box, place the appropriate initial amount of powders for the desired oxynitride phosphor in an agate mortar. Crush and mix the powders using the agate mortar and pestle until a homogeneous mixture is formed. Pack the mixture into a boron nitride crucible. Seal the crucible in a plastic container and remove the crucible from the glove box. Place the crucible in a sintering furnace. Create a vacuum on the inside of the chamber. Keep the furnace temperature constant during firing. Once firing is complete, turn off the furnace and allow the sample to cool to room temperature inside the sample chamber. Using an agate mortar and pestle, crush the cooled samples to a fine powder. Next, mix 150 milligrams of the phosphor product with 300